Good evening, everyone. You're watching NewsCreators, your trusted source for the most extraordinary stories in AI and technology. 10,518 drones in the sky, a new world record, set by Damoda in Ho Chi Minh City. If you'd shown this to someone just a few years ago, when fireworks were the height of sky entertainment, they'd be speechless. It looks like something out of science fiction, almost alien. But here's the practical bit. With this many drones, one small malfunction and you've got 10,000 drones plummeting from the sky. That's not a light show, it's chaos. And imagine if someone hacked the system. Suddenly it's not entertainment, it's a disaster. As we build ever more spectacular tech, we must build safer, smarter systems, robust fail-safes, anti-hacking measures and strict regulations, because the future of sky entertainment depends on it. If you found this as jaw-dropping and thought-provoking as we did, please share this video. The more people understand the risks and rewards, the safer and more spectacular our future can be. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech news right here on NewsCreators.